Jill?
Parker.
Where are you?
I don't know. A room, I think. Somewhere on the ship.
No shit, a room.
Damn it. Bastard took all my weapons.
Can you reach HQ?
No, comms are as it seems. We should regroup.
So this is the part I was telling you about, guys. The living quarters. Just look at this place. It really gives you mansion vibes, doesn't it? You're totally defenseless. You have no weapon. And that thing is still on. Surprising though, if they took all the equipment from them, why didn't they take the radios and... See, I do believe... Yeah, we still have the ammo. That's really strange, actually. Take a look. Looks like it's been broken for a while. Nasty bathroom. This is totally a Resident Evil 1 reference. Nice. Ugh, that water looks nasty. It's rusted? Mm-hmm. Ugh. What's up with toilets being so disgusting in games? Seriously. Oh. Pressing, Okay. I think I know what I have to do. Come on, hit me. There we go. Well, you want to be on TV? Now you're in the TV. Oh, nice ass. Wow, just look at this thing. I still can't believe what people have against them. They're really cool, in my opinion. Okay. Now that we have that done... Our first puzzle. Yeah, I'm not sure how they, Oh, okay, that's how they do it in Revelations. Leave something like this, maybe? Oh no, I have to cross those two. At least I think I do. There we go. What the hell? Oh no. Timely. Timely, timely. Jesus, 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 Jesus. I can't shoot that yet. I don't have a gun. Ooh, sexy dodges.
Jill, you can't fight without a weapon. Just do your best to dodge.
They could have just kicked them, you know. I mean, look at this place, guys. Mansion vibes. Big time. And the best part is, there is more to come. Like, this is not just a brief part. And there is backtracking here, and... just wow, I'm so excited. It looks great, by the way, on big screen. Oh yeah, I totally forgot, by the way. I don't know which part of the video this will be, but I have to give a big shout out to my friend Splicer45 on YouTube. He's also doing a Let's Play of Revelations, but he's doing it blind. And, oh, okay. And he's also... He's, like, he doesn't do any commentary, so if you enjoy, you know, watching silent gamers, that's pretty much for you. So be sure to check him out. Don't really see what the point is in going here since I don't have any guns. Okay. pretty cozy bedrooms. I don't know, I was gonna say, Jesus, why is he coming out of there? I always found ships eerie for some reason. And, I'm glad that they made Revelations. First of all, I'm glad they made it in the first place, but I'm even happier that they ported it. Because so far, it feels like a really great port. Oh great, more of them. Gonna have to go back here later, I think, because... What is he doing? He's thirsty. He's like, blood. Okay. Gonna have to go back here, later anyway, because still have a lot of stuff to do with the Genesis scanner. Did I go the wrong way? No. I don't remember where Parker said he'd, meet me. That is locked, obviously. Let's go down, I guess, see what happens, but I'm not sure this is the right way. Ah, yes it is.
Jill, are you okay?
I'm fine, but the ship's crawling with BOWs.
Okay, we're going to need our weapons. I think I saw them on my way here, but I couldn't reach them. We should be okay as long as we work together.
Yep, let's go. Hey, don't slam the door on me. Okay, so like I said before, what I thought was frame rate issues at first is just the game loading, so it's not a big deal.
This way. I found this though. Think we can use it?
Yeah, it just might do the trick.
No, that's locked. I'm just gonna press it to make sure. Yeah, there we go. So it marks on the map, because I'm not sure if it does if you don't do anything. Great.
The weapons I found are just up ahead. Hurry.
No, I was dodging you, you bastard! Oh my god, look at that creepy appendage from the face. Seriously. Go, 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 go. There we go. Oh my god, this place is crawling with them. Ah! Oh great, that end. This is lovely. This is freaking lovely. Come on, come on, come on, come on. There, look at that shiny thing. There you go. Where is that thing? Where is that thing? Oh my god. How many healing items do I have? I need to check. 1 out of 5. Oh my god. Maybe I'll get some of them back if I use...
Jill, I found our weapons.
If I get my weapons back. Nice. And here? Okay. Jesus, almost went the wrong way. Good thing I didn't. Finally, got all our stuff back. Green herb. No, I don't have any. Shit. Yeah, I always, like, even if you scan a lot in Revelations, you always kind of feel like you're low on stuff because the, I don't know, first of all, you can only carry a limited amount of items of everything, so... Okay, so... That, indeed, that is the item box. Okay. So yeah, the item box makes a return, which is pretty cool. It's not quite,
We got our equipment. Now what?
Now we contact HQ and tell them what the hell is going on.
We should be able to do that from the bridge. Let's go.
So I'm not sure if I'm gonna head over to the bridge straight away, or if I should explore this area first, because there's a lot of rooms we haven't explored. Oh, it's on the other side. What was I gonna say? Look at the... Oh, nice. Listen to the music. It's just very Resident Evil-y, isn't it? Okay, so what is this? That is locked from the other side. I do believe I am gonna backtrack. Kill me some of these bastards. Hello, good sir. What the hell? Oh, nice. Both died. No, good sir. No, no, no. You step back. It's very rude. Oh, nice. They all died in like one big puddle. Lovely. Some kind of a library. Nope. It's probably not going to take us that long to backtrack. I'm still going to try to speed it up a little bit, just so you guys don't get too bored. Back off, back off. I'm dangerous. Oh no! Back off, good sir. Don't want any of that stuff. Okay. Good slimy ooze, sir. Okay. Yet another complete scan. And... Ooh, hello there. How did I miss that? Ah, the clock. Okay. What was I gonna say? Someone actually asked me if the classic, you know, Resident Evil files return that you can read, and yes, they do. There's several of them, and there's some pretty good ones too. So that's always nice. Okay, so... Nice, nice. More custom parts for the guns. And that one's locked, so I'm not even gonna bother. I abuse the Genesis scanner. I really do.
Things are hiding everywhere.
Melt. Good job. Thank you, Mr. Ooze. Wow, look at that. What happened to these people? They just... stopped in the middle of dinner. Look at all this good food. It's probably moldy by now, but you know. I wonder what that thing, the gas at the, or sort of the smoke at the bottom, you know, at the floor, if you can see it. I'm just curious what that is. Okay. Now I know there's a lot of items around here. There we go, there's one. Nice. No handprints or anything? Come on, there's gotta be more, game. I know there's gotta be more. Hey, Parker, move. So... Oh, okay. Can't go there yet. It's a lot of locked doors. I mean, I don't get people who have complaints about this. I really don't. I personally, and yes, I know I'm gonna get a lot of flack for this, but I personally prefer this to 4. 4 was just too cliche for me, and I guess in some ways this is too, but... I don't know, people are just saying that it's not scary enough, and... I don't know, I understand how Resident Evil can be considered scary by a lot of people, but I never played Resident Evil because it was scary. For me, it always had a different type of charm. I mean, if I want scary, I'll play something like... Oh, hello there. Amnesia or Silent Hill, you know. Bunch of other stuff out there. Metro is a really good series. I played Metro before when I was younger. Well, not when I was much younger, but that kind of stuff just didn't appeal to me back then, and I think it does now, so I'm actually gonna be playing 2033 in Last Light, although I might make that without commentary, actually, because I don't know, I've just been feeling like doing commentary-less games sometimes, too. Nice. Jesus Christ, just look at this.